Are you sick and tired of staring at your horse's derriere as you bounce along the road? Do you no longer want your horse's legs to fling fecal matter in your face? Stop by Henry Ford's Model T factory to pick up a brand new Model T. Every day will be like a drive in the park and no more poo. Only $520. Get it while supplies last. The Model T was invented in 1908 when Henry Ford wanted to make a car that was simple, robust, and affordable. He popularized the assembly line, which allowed him to create Model Ts faster. The Model Ts would start on one side of the factory, and as it went along the rails, workers would assemble more pieces onto the car. Each worker would have their own job, and they would become a specialist in the one thing that they did each day. Wheel putter-oners got better at putting on wheels. Welders only welded all day, so they got really good at welding. The man who installed the running boards became a running board master installer. The guy who made engines got really good at making them. And the guy who caught mice all day really wanted to get a cat. Everyone got really good at their one job, and when they were done, they would send it down the assembly line to the next worker. This made people experts at their job. To build your own Model T, start with 2x2 Technic plates. Attach the axles to 4x4 plates and then attach the 4x4 plates to a 2x10 plate. Next, build the engine mount and the grille of the car. Use 1x4 curved slope tile pieces for the rims. Use the same 1x4 curved slope for the hood of the car. Continue using plates to build up the back of the car, add some doors as well as the windshield and a steering wheel with a seat. Use the same 1x2x4 pieces that you use for the windshield for the back windows. The instructions are on my Patreon for free if you want to build a Model T like Henry Ford. In manufacturing nowadays, everyone uses assembly lines, but back then that wasn't always the case. Before the assembly line was popularized, one man built one car. This took longer because the one guy building the car had to be good at all the different jobs that went into making a car. Instead of specializing in one job like the assembly line workers, he had to know all the jobs. Because Henry Ford used the assembly line, he was able to make cars faster and cheaper than other car manufacturers such as Chevrolet and Oldsmobile. The Model T allowed everyday Americans to afford a car. And that's why you no longer stare at a horse's rear when you want to travel.